Football fans, you are not dreaming. Manchester City, the champions of Europe, the unbeatable giants of modern football, have been eliminated. And not by Real Madrid, not by Bayern, but by Al Hilal. In what can only be described as the game of the tournament, Al Hilal edged out City in a 4-3 extra time thriller, announcing to the world that Saudi League has well and truly arrived. So it all started when Bernardo Silva opened the scoring with a clinical finish. But the chaos only began in the second half. Marcus Leonardo, yes, that Leonardo, slotted in the equalizer with style. Then came Malcolm, dancing through the defense to make it 2-1. City responded like champions. Haaland, calm as ever, smashed it in 2-2. Then in extra time, Koulibaly rose high like a lion. Bang! Header in 3-2 to Al Hilal. But wait, Phil Foden, always clutch, hit back with a beauty. 3-3. The game was fire. And then in the 112th minute, Marcus Leonardo again, stabbing it in after Ederson's miracle save. 4-3, history made. For Manchester City, this was a season that started way back on August 10 with the Community Shield, a long grueling campaign, and while they did clinch Champions League qualification, they finished without the big prizes. For Pep, this was rare. A season without dominance, a season where cracks appeared, a season that ended in a heartbreak. But for Al Hilal, this is more than just a win. This is a statement to the footballing world. The Saudi Pro League is not just about money anymore. It's about competition, it's about quality, it's about respect. Renan Lodi, Neves, Koulibaly, João Cancelo, Milinkovic Savic, and Malcolm. These aren't just big names. They performed, they turned up, and they outclassed the best. And let's not forget, Cristiano Ronaldo started this. When he signed for Al Nassr, people laughed. They called it a retirement league, but Ronaldo did what it takes years to do. He lit the league. That's now set the whole football world on fire. He brought cameras, headlines, fans, and belief. Now, the Saudi League has stars, it has competitiveness, and after today, it has a monumental scalp. Al Hilal will now face Fluminense in the quarterfinal. And one thing is clear, they aren't just there to participate, they are there to dominate, and now nobody is underestimating them. The Saudi League has crossed over. This isn't a sideshow anymore. This is the main event. Europe, watch out. The world is watching. If you love this insane football story, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Can Al Hilal go all the way? Is the Saudi League the new football frontier? Let's talk. This was one for the history books. Al Hilal 4, Manchester City 3, and the world just got a whole lot more interesting.